Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with US President Donald Trump on January 27, aiming to strengthen India-US ties. This comes shortly after Trump was sworn in for his second term as the 47th President of the United States. Sharing the news on X, Modi wrote, "Delighted to speak with my dear friend President Donald Trump. Congratulations on his historic second term. We remain committed to a mutually beneficial and trusted partnership." India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar attended Trump's inauguration on January 20, raising questions about Modi's absence. However, the two leaders are expected to meet in February, and President Trump is likely to visit India in April. While Modi and Trump discussed various issues, no talks about Bangladesh have been confirmed yet. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.